We riding Burke life, baby. Yes, sir. What's happening, YouTube? Man, we got Donk Ride or Die sending us some good stuff right here. So we about to go ahead and open up. Slide back. Sorry about the mess, I'm moving and everything. Well, I just moved, you know. Let's see what kind of package we got. Uh-oh. What do we have here? We got some good shape bumper guards. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
West, boy.
Y'all see it. Not playing. And it came with the nuts and now these, man, immaculate. 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 So we got the nuts, bolts, screws, bump guards, A1. Can't get no better than that, you know? The back ones. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And gotta shout out my guy, man, Donk Ride or Die.
For sure.
Need Donk parts, G-body parts, any kind of parts he can get it, but specialize in Donk parts. But he can get you anything, a car, parts, all that. Just hit him up, you know what I mean? And yeah, I'm gonna put his link right down below this video, and y'all gonna see it. Stay tuned.
Y'all know what it is.
I'm at Paint by King shop, and look what I see, a 71, man. It's gutted. Guess he about to restore the 71. Man, we back at it. We at Paint by King shop, man. Legit Paint by King right here, man. Y'all see him, man. Y'all go follow. What's going on now? So we about to get this footage, see what this candy green Magnum looking like. And y'all see. We in here, chilling. They working. And when I say this thing wet, this thing is wet. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. I can tell you this right now, I'm about to take the wrap off my Magnum today and bring my Magnum up here right now. Because this is how wet he is, all right? He over here sitting down, chilling over there next to the Viper Donk. But just believe, this is wet. This that H-Town candy right here. Stay tuned. Let's go watch it right now. Man, this thing out. Oh, just finished the quarter? Oh, for real? Oh, man, Paint by King said the quarters is finished on the jump. Oh, we gonna get over there. We gonna get over there. Oh, man. It done got me excited today. I don't know which one to be excited about, the Viper Donk or this paint job, man, because I just know my dunk gonna be wet. Look at this. This is crazy. Crazy. The paint so deep. And he still got wet sand and buffer. Huh? Oh, for real? Oh, yeah, we about to get over there. Hey, the man got footage for me today, y'all, and I'm delivering it to y'all. This man, he the best paint man in Virginia, and I'm gonna put my stamp on it. You see that? I'm stamping it. Sample. Because when y'all see this Magnum on the street, I'm not bringing my Magnum out once this leave the shop. I'm telling you that now. I'm not pulling my Magnum out once this come out the shop. I gotta go on the booth. I have to go on the booth. Like, the video is not doing justice of what this paint job look like in person. It's not. It's flow coated? Flow coated? Not even flow coated, man. This is crazy. This thing got like a glow stick in the paint job. I mean, it's like a highlighter, like organic green. Never looked so good. As y'all see, man, they do it all here, man. They do it all. Got welding going on. They got a 71 bird outside. Got the wheels going on. Y'all see, it's a lot happening right now. We going in the bank booth. Man he got my Viper. The Viper Donk is already in the lab. It's my fender. Y'all heard it, man. Y'all heard it. Just sealed up my body parts. Gonna cut out all the rusted metal. Repair it. Man, tell me what. Man, this man working fast. Tell me what God won't do. Alright? Tell me what God won't do, man. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. It took me a long time to trust somebody here to get my car, and he already working. I can't be more happy. I'm gonna let y'all see it in a better view. Sealed up. This is the passenger fender. We gonna cut that out. Bottom, new panel. That's the header. Do I gotta get a new one or that can be fixed? No, I'll fix that. Fix that. See that? Yeah. Oh yeah, we in the gang, coach. We in the gang. So we got the new driver door, driver door. Yeah, driver door right here. Got the new driver door. My man got me right over there. Y'all see he be welding everything. He probably weld the whole car together. Crazy. Man said they found something in my fender.
In your rear bumper.
My rear bumper. What is that?
Spare keys.
Spare keys? Oh man, I'm glad we found that, man, because they can't be stealing this vert once I get going now. They don't have spare keys in the back. Whoa. Oh man, this is wild. My vert look actually like a vert right now. She like sanded completely, nice, clean. They done found all the bad spots. Is she a bad vert though? No. Like starting out? No?
Oh no.
Yeah, we did worse than this.
Okay.
We done stripped down.
Worse than this back in life.
We done stripped down a car. 1/4 panel had more body filler on it than the whole car did.
What?
Yeah.
Woo!
I'm talking about mountains of dust.
Oh man. Man. Well, they got everything assembled, rear windows out. I don't know what else I could do. Everything taken apart. Everything taken apart. They working on the 7.5. What was that?
It's body filler.
Body filler.
But look at the back. They like dumped the filler in the hole. Like,
and that was where?
right here. From here to here.
Golly. Whole rocket. So we got new ones?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so we got new rockets coming. All right. Quarters good?
Yeah,
Quarter's good.
Quarter's good.
All right.
That's what he's saying. LeVar got rockers too. So
Man, we done lucked up. Y'all see what happens coming to the right shop. Man, you gotta tell the people what it is, man. I don't want to repeat it because you know what you're talking about. See, when I talk, they like, what, man, Von, stay in your lane.
Strip them down. You go ahead metal prep them. You can see these little white residue spots right here. That's where water done splashed on them, but it's not rust.
It's not
All you
rust.
gotta do is take them spots right and then it come right off.
Oh snap! Scotch pad, and you good.
Then they get epoxied after this, which they already seen in the booth.
Yeah. So y'all seen? I'm about to show y'all the fenders and everything right now, epoxy. You know what I mean? So this is what's about to happen. Man, they done got the trunk lid off. I just noticed that too. Man, they be working fast over here. You know, I'm not used to this. I'm used to my car sitting for about a year, maybe get 1 or 2 parts taken off, and then come back. This is not normal to me. Okay, this is not normal to me, y'all. It's not normal. You know, look at this, man. My whole car is disassembled. They done got parts for me. Man, this is crazy. We got a vert. And I'm trying to come wet like that Magnum over there. I'm trying to tell you, they is working. It's crazy. We got new floor pads, definitely gotta happen. They done took the mirror out. Man. Baby, look, they done got the vert right. So there you done have it, YouTube. There you done have it. So basically we got to see Paint by King shop. Dunk Ride or Die got us some new parts for the Dunk. Fresh. We got to see the vert getting bust down. The frame about to come off. Treated the metal. Let's see what else. We got the wheels taken apart, the 26-inch Amani Forge with the 7-inch rear lip. Gold plate machine come in on Monday, so I'm about to gold plate all my parts myself. 24 karat gold, real gold. We're not doing no paint, none of that. We're doing real gold, real candy. We're going all the way through. So stay tuned. You gotta subscribe to the channel. Like, subscribe, and comment, and share, man, because I'm bringing some heat. It's gonna be a nasty dunk when it comes done, be finished, man. I'm moving fast. Y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel and watch the new updates, man. Because pretty soon we're gonna be firing the Viper Dunk up and coming to your city, and we slide just like that, just like that.